VLOOKUP remains the most recognized feature in data management, dominating search history and spreadsheet tutorials for decades. However, Microsoft's official documentation is now steering users away from these traditional methods in favor of newer functions and integrated AI tools. This transition signals that a workflow built around legacy lookups is no longer aligned with the current technical standards set by the software's developers. Despite the push for change, VLOOKUP still dictates the majority of daily user search volume. Microsoft reflects this reality by keeping the function listed as a high-volume, trending topic within its support ecosystem. This chart reveals a clear divide. While users search for the old standard, Microsoft's What's New directives prioritize upgrading to XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP removes technical limitations of its predecessor, such as the requirement to count columns or risking errors when data isn't sorted. Because it resolves these structural weaknesses, XLOOKUP is now the required starting point for all new data operations. The shift goes beyond swapping one formula for another. The goal is to remove the need for manual syntax altogether. Microsoft is deploying Copilot and Analyze data features, which allow users to retrieve information by typing natural language questions instead of nesting formulas. Google Sheets follows the same path, using generative AI and enhanced Smart Fill to predict and organize data without user-written calculations. As these natural language tools improve, the era of manually constructing lookup formulas is coming to an end. Relying solely on VLOOKUP keeps a workflow tied to the specific restrictions and manual errors that modern automation was designed to fix. Modern analysis requires transitioning immediate tasks to XLOOKUP while starting to integrate Copilot or Smart Fill for broader calculations. Adopting these automated tools is the only way to maintain the speed and accuracy expected in professional data analysis.